In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can connect CJ Dropshipping to your Shopify. Now, this is an easy tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step on how you can do this. So if you don't know that CJ, like after someone places an order on your Shopify, like CJ will take care of everything. They will ship the item directly to your customer, and you don't even have to give the address of the customer to CJ, because everything will be done automatically. And I'm going to show you how you can set that up. Okay, now the first thing you want to do, guys, you want to click on settings at the very bottom left of your Shopify store, and then you want to click on apps and sales channels, and you want to click on Shopify App Store in the top right. Okay, now the first thing you need to do, guys, is to download an app. It's called CJ Dropshipping. Okay, it's the official app of CJ Dropshipping company. Now you just want to download this app. As you can see, it's called CJ Dropshipping. Now you want to click on add app, and next step you want to do, guys, is you want to click on install app in the top right. Now you just want to give it a few seconds. Now it's installing on your Shopify, and now it will take you directly to your like CJ Dropshipping account. You want to click on authorize, or you want to click on create. If you don't have an account, you want to click on register here. Now for me, I already have an account on CJ. Now if you don't have it, you just want to click on register and enter the information. Now I have it. I'm going to click on authorize, and I'm going to click on confirm. Again, authorize. Now in the next step, guys, you need to do one thing. Like if you haven't linked your Shopify store to CJ, you want to do that right now. Now I have linked my Shopify to CJ like as you can see, it says here authorization success. Now for you, click on authorization in the top left, click on Shopify. And next thing you want to do, guys, after you click on Shopify, you want to add here your Shopify account. Now I'm going to show you how it will look. This is how it will look. Click on authorize. Yeah, that's it. Now if it says something like this, okay, if you see something like that means you have successfully linked your Shopify store to CJ. Now if it doesn't say something like this, you want to go to your Shopify, okay, and then you want to click on settings at the very bottom left, and then copy your domain name. Okay, this is your domain name, and then paste it there. It will ask you, guys, to add your Shopify store. You want to add that name here, and then click on confirm or save or whatever they have there, and this is how it will look. Now we have successfully connected our Shopify to CJ. Okay, now next steps, guys, you want to click on cj.com in the top left, and after that you want to select a product. Now the thing that you need now is to find a winning product. Okay, now for me, I will just list a product here, and I'm going to show you guys how you can make CJ like ship the orders automatically to your customers. Okay, now I'm going to go with this product, for example, this one. Now after you click on any product, you can easily list this exact product on your Shopify store. Now as you can see here, guys, I just created this Shopify store right now, and I'm going to click on products. As you can see, it only has one product. Now let's see how we can import or add products from CJ to Shopify. Now after, guys, you click on any product, you will see here a few different options here at the bottom. You want to click on list. Okay, now after, guys, you click on list, as you can see, this product has different variations, as you can see. So I'm just going to find another product that doesn't have a lot of variations. I'm just going to go with this one, for example. Let's just go with this one and see. So this one has like 5 colors, so I like to use this type. Okay, I'm going to click on one piece. I'm going to, and then click list, as you can see. And as you can see, this product has 5 different variations, or 7. Now what you need to do, guys, after you click on list, you want to select here your Shopify store. Okay, make sure it's your Shopify store here. And the next thing, guys, you want to do is, like it says here, ship from. So if you want this item that if you are targeting, for example, people specifically from United States and you want the item to come from United States, you can do that on CG. You can just click and then you can select USA warehouse. Now if you want products to come from China to United States, as you can see, ship my orders most to United States, you want to select here United States. Okay, and here you can select which two ways you want. It depends on what you want. For me, I like to use China warehouse because of cheap prices compared to USA warehouse because they charge more. So I'm going to go with China. And product type, you just want to enter here product type, click on add new, and you want to add, for example, this product is about, like, let me check, just a test. Okay, I'm going to add here a test, confirm. Now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to enter here your price. Okay, now this is the total dropshipping cost. Now if someone places an order on your Shopify, this is how much money CG will take off the money, okay, that you receive after someone pays, after the customer pays. This is how much money CG will take, including the shipping and then including the shipping fee, the product fee. Okay, now you want to click on your price. As you can see, it says here your price. So this is how much money you are going to charge. For example, if you charge here $60, that means you are going to make like $4 every time someone buys this product from your Shopify store. Now you want to enter the price of all the like different colors here. So for example, I'm going to go with 40, 40, 40. Now after that, guys, after you do this, you want to click on, let me show you guys what you need to do next. After you do these steps, you want to click on list it now. Okay, so if you click on list it now, as you can see, it says here listing in progress. You may check the listing status on listing. Listed products can be managed in listed. Now this exact product will be imported to our Shopify store, and I'm going to show you guys other steps. Okay, now as you can see, this is the product. It's imported to our Shopify store. Now if you click on that product, you can then edit the title if you want. If you want to come up with a unique title, also the description here, you can edit anything, the pictures, as you can see. You can do a lot of things. Okay, the price, you can edit the price even on your Shopify store. You can do that. Okay, yeah, that's it. If you want, you can edit the next information in the next product information. You want to click on next, and that's it. Yeah, and then you can edit other things here. So after that, guys, what you need to do, guys, next is you need to click on your account in the top right, click on profile, and after that, guys, you want to click on products in the top. Okay, now the reason why we do this is we want, guys, we want CG to ship the item automatically to our customers. Okay, now as you can see, this is the product that we have listed to our Shopify, like the product that we have imported to our Shopify store. Now this is exactly what's going to happen. Click on these three little dots here, and then click CG fulfillment, and as you can see, it will say here fulfilled by CG. You want to click on yes. Inventory managed by CG. You want to click on yes, and then click confirm. So every time someone buys this product from your Shopify store, CG will take care of everything. Okay, now next thing you want to do, guys, you want to go to your Shopify store and you want to click on where it's like online store. Okay, you want to click on online store, and after that, guys, you want to scroll down and make sure like you choose a theme for your Shopify if you haven't done that already. Now after that, guys, after you do all these steps, you want to click on preferences. Okay, you want to click on online store and click on preferences, and you want to uncheck the password protection. As you can see, you will say a password protection. You want to uncheck this where it says restrict access to visitors with passwords. You want to click on it and then toggle that off. Okay, now if you don't have a plan, if you are not paying for Shopify, you are not allowed to do that. So make sure you uncheck this box. Now as you can see, I am not allowed. It's buried because I didn't pay for the plan on this new Shopify store, because I'm just trying, guys, to explain to you how this whole thing works. Now after you uncheck that, you want to click on save in the top right, and now your product, your store will be active. It will be alive. People, if they search on it on Google, they will find your store. If you uncheck that box, okay? So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments. I reply to every single comment. See you guys in the next video.